Hello, you guys. Welcome to my nighttime skincare routine. This is me winding down, girl. Tired. But I'm so happy you are here. I'm just going to go ahead and just move my hair out the way. I just try not to get it wet, too wet. I don't have that much hair. But just protecting my edges because I don't want to go to bed with a wet head. And honestly, I just like to take a look at myself in the mirror, look at your skin, see what needs to be addressed. Just take a moment, take deep breaths. This is what I do, if I'm being very honest. And then I always want to break down the makeup. I'm going to be using this hand skin pore cleansing oil. So I'll have a link below, but I really nowadays prefer to use a oil or a cleansing balm to break down the makeup. I do not use makeup wipes anymore. This really helps. It gives you a great head start, gets the makeup off your face, especially when you have a full glam. It gets the mascara, and I think it's kind of fun because when you add water, it kind of foams up, as you can see right here. So I think that's pretty cool. But yeah, it really gets the makeup off and breaks it down so we can go in and wash our face with my nightly cleanser, which is going to be the CeraVe. This is the cream to foam cleanser. Clearly I have two because I keep a backup on deck. But I just really wash my face for at least 60 seconds. I know the esthetician on YouTube or Twitter, she had coined the 60-second rule. But if I'm being honest, my mom has always told me that you gotta wash your face for at least a minute. She used to always say that. So I think if you're trying to implement that in your day-to-day routine, I personally use music. Music is always playing in my background. I usually say like a verse or a verse in the chorus is long enough. Or you can be very serious and use a timer, whatever works for you, but that's just a suggestion. Definitely want to wash your face long enough. Now we're going to just jump into my treatments. Oh, this is flossing the teeth, girl, doing everything. That's a part of my nighttime routine. Make sure you floss and brush your teeth. It is very important, especially the flossing. I don't understand how people don't floss. People really don't be flossing, y'all. Anyway, this is the Paula's Choice BHA Salicylic Acid Toner. This stuff is the bomb. Now, I don't use this every day, maybe 3 times out of the week, because it will dry your skin out and have your face feeling real tight. But when I use this at night and wake up in the morning, my skin is glowing and it looks just bomb. Sometimes I also use it as a spot treatment for acne, if I have any trouble areas, pores. It's great. I definitely will recommend it. I will have it linked in the description if you want to check it out. I'm sure y'all seen this product before though. Once I apply that, we got to add some moisture to the skin. This is the Fenty Skin Night Cream. I've been using this for a while now, and I do really like it. It just rehydrates the skin. It hasn't done me wrong, you know what I mean? And I really like it. I kind of do a little face massage, and it's important to put the moisture back into your skin once you use that BHA from Paula's Choice. So I'm also going to do a little bit of slugging with the CeraVe healing ointment. I put some on and I just lather it everywhere. I make sure to really get it under my eyes too because it really performs great as like an eye cream for the nighttime. For me personally, Vaseline healing ointment really does good on the eyes at night. And last but not least, Vaseline on the lips. So important. I have one of these by my bed every night, one in the bathroom, one in my travel bag. Vaseline is the GOAT for the lips. And you guys, this is it. This is all I do very quick. If you like a quick video, give this video a thumbs up. And this is my skin up close and personal. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.